We're set up here in an Angular 6 app to be created using the Angular 6 CLI. As part of creating our app beyond this, we will no doubt create some custom components to help us meet our business requirements. Now, rather than creating every single thing from scratch, there are lots of very useful components that others have already built that we can now build upon to help speed things up. One of the more popular libraries that offer up some of these components is the ng Bootstrap library. This particular library gives us Bootstrap-based components built specifically for Angular that we can just plug and play without worrying about any other third-party dependencies like jQuery, for instance. Installing the ng Bootstrap library in an Angular 6 app is a one-liner now thanks to a schematic we can use. That schematic is ng add at ng-bootstrap/schematics. Once that command completes executing, we'll notice a number of changes have been made to our app in order to get us ready to use Bootstrap components. For one, right here on screen in our package.json file, as you can see, it's been updated to now list ng Bootstrap as a dependency, where this module, ng Bootstrap, is the Angular module that's going to expose to us the directives and the components that we can plug and play to get Bootstrap functionality in our Angular 6 app. Now, internally, ng Bootstrap does depend on the actual standalone Bootstrap JavaScript library, so you can see where this has also been added as a dependency in our package.json file. If we navigate now to our app module file in our source app folder, here app module ts, you'll see we have a few modifications here as well. Namely, ngb module has been imported from ng Bootstrap, and then we've used its for-root method to return to us a module that we can add to the app's imports array, as you see us do on line 13. Lastly, back in our project root, we want to take a look at our angular.json file, where I'll point out that our main project here, my app, has had its styles array updated in order to add Bootstrap-specific styling.